We didn't want just a normal box food trailer.
Instead, they rolled a relic of the Old West straight to Main Street. Welcome to the Rusty Skillet Wagon in Clifton Forge.
We wanted something unique and an eye catcher, and that's exactly what we got.
Stephanie Fridley and her husband Randall, they're no tenderfoots to food service. They owned a beloved restaurant in Eagle Rock for decades.
We used to own a restaurant called Maw Paws. We sold it about 3 years ago.
You might be able to take the cook out of the kitchen, but you can't take the kitchen out of the cook. What they thought would be a weekend hobby with this wagon turned out to be much more than they expected.
We make more sitting here in 4 hours than we did on our slowest day at the restaurant.
Can't argue with cold hard cash. As for where to hitch the wagon, Stephanie says Clifton Forge is a natural fit.
You cannot ask for a more welcoming community than Clifton Forge.
Best place in town in Allegheny County. They got great food, great service. If you eat one time, you'll come back the second time. Second time, you develop friendship.
It's mutual love. Take Doris, for instance. She's been supporting this family since a time when Randall's parents owned a restaurant.
You can't get any better food anywhere you go.
As for the wagon, Stephanie wanted it to feel just like it came off the Oregon Trail.
I went to like antique shops, thrift stores, everything to decorate it. And my husband's like, why would you do that? I said, because. I said, it's plain Jane. I want it to be authentic.
And since this chuck wagon was custom built in Texas, you gotta go big to be authentic. Just like the sign says, the biggest, best hamburger this side of the Mississippi.
Yeah, we run through about 100 pounds of hamburger a day.
We have a moonshine burger, weekly thing that we run on special. Large cheeseburger, bacon, fried onions, onion ring, cheese, moonshine barbecue sauce.
This burger's so big you could probably use it to float down the Mississippi. Stephanie gave me the whole roll because we're gonna need it. That homemade moonshine barbecue sauce, it is something special. I'm glad she left the whole roll.
A hot dog here. This one has mustard, onion, chili, and our homemade coleslaw. Our chili is also homemade.
I had no idea they had Jesse Jones dogs.
Flounder, fries, our homemade coleslaw, and then tartar on the side. And we run that weekly also.
Tartar sauce is a little sweet. I like it.
I can't do what you just did.
Always good. Doesn't matter what's on the menu. You're gonna like it.
But if you're scrolling Facebook Marketplace, yes, you'll find this one-of-a-kind wagon listed for sale. Why? The very same reason they had to sell Maw Paws, doctor's orders, as Randall battles ongoing health issues.
And that's why we always tell everybody just follow us on Facebook to see what the hours are gonna be. Because if it comes the day he's had a really rough day, really busy, then he'll have to take a day.
But they aren't kicking their feet up just yet. You can hang your hat on knowing this wagon isn't slowing down. But whoever pulleys up the cash, just know you got some mighty big boots to fill at this flat top.
We're not going anywhere. It's not gonna be shut down. It's here, we're here to stay until somebody else wants to come and take over.
The Rusty Skillet Wagon, a hometown eat built in Texas, forged in Virginia.